let's go ahead and get started and clean this very dirty and disgusting car. So I first wanted to, sorry for that shot, but introduce myself. My name is Laura and I am a mother of one. I am just a one parent household. And so it's extremely difficult, at least I think, to get things done. I happened to do a shift for Habitat this day and we got done early. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to take the time and get this car cleaned out. I'm trying to keep a plastic bag to put trash in so it stays a little bit nicer. But as you can see, that doesn't or hasn't really helped. So right now I'm just kind of separating the things that I need to take into the house in one bag, obviously the shoes and purse and other bag and socks and things like that. And then the other plastic bag on the ground is for trash, the things that I want to throw away. So I always start out cleaning my car like this, having bags of things that need to go in my house, and the other bag is just trash. And then, oh my gosh, lifting up this car seat is going to be bad. This is what the floor looks like. You can tell I have a little one just because there's crumbs everywhere. It's just gross. I know I need to be better about it, but it's wintertime and it's always cold. And oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. I am so embarrassed. That's pretty bad. Look at all those crumbs and stains and everything. It's just really, really bad. And I let her eat in the car pretty much every day. And I am also sorry about the angle. I just could not put my phone anywhere that made sense. It didn't stay up anywhere. So I definitely hope to work on that. But as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum up all those crumbs. I wish I had a little bit better of a vacuum. I love my Shark, but this doesn't get the crumbs in the car very well. It is really handy because it detaches from the actual vacuum, but I can't seem to get in like little crevices, so it would be nicer to have a little bit of a smaller vacuum, but this does the job for the most part. So I've just continued to go with it. I'm curious, how often do you guys clean out your cars? Like I said, it was wintertime and it was finally nice enough out that I really wanted to go outside and get this done. But I feel like we did it another time during the winter months, but I definitely do it less in the winter months than I do in the summer months. Sorry for this crazy camera situation. Anyway, just getting all of those crumbs. I just wanted everybody to really see how gross this was. It's clearly very, very bad. So once I'm done vacuuming everything, I did go ahead and wipe down the interior. So like my steering wheel, my radio, all of those things that kind of have a harder surface. I did also try to get the stains out of the one seat in the back, and then my front seat stuff has spilled in there so badly. I don't even remember. I think one of them, I don't know if it was milk or chocolate, but it looks really bad. So I used just Pine Saw and a rag. That's really gross in there. I don't know what that was, but I used that to clean like the surfaces, the harder surfaces in the car. And I tried it on the seats. I did a little bit of Googling and I saw that like vinegar and water and then like baking soda would maybe get the stains out of the seats, but I wanted to try first to just use the Pine Sol and water. So that's what I did. I'm going to see how it works out, if it gets anything off. If not, I'm just going to try something else. I don't have like a stain remover. I don't know how well that would work, but like I said, I'm just going to try the vinegar and the baking soda and see how that goes. All right, I wanted to make this short and to the point. So this is my car when I'm all done cleaning it. The back is definitely not as clean as I would like it to be, but it looks so much better. And I'm going to work on those seats, this front seat and then the back seat. I also moved my daughter's car seat over to try to get those stains out. And I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. And that is the dirty water. Gross. Bye for now.